Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you unboxing and review of wireless doorbell which I ordered from Amazon. Before I start, this is not a sponsored video. I have purchased it for my personal use. So let's get started. As per this doorbell, it says wireless doorbell Bo Ying waterproof doorbell with 38 melodies and LED flash, easy install, 1000-foot range, one push button and one receiver wide. The bell button which goes on the door, that needs a battery which is included, but the receiver does not require any battery. You can just plug in into any electrical socket and it's good to go as per the description. So I'm not going through the description because I've already read through. So let's get started. I ordered this costed me $13.99, and this was shipped within like a day. Like I ordered today and the next day I got delivery, which was really very quick. So here is the bell. This is the box I received, and there's the installation method described behind. The doorbell comes with the battery included for the doorbell, which is a button outside, and all the specification below. Let's get started unboxing this doorbell. So that's the instruction manual. And that's the doorbell. This goes on the door outside, and they have given the screws and the anchors. Screwdrivers is included. You also get this adhesive strip which is sticky on both the sides. You peel off one side and then the other one. So first thing is you peel one side, you stick it on the back of your button, and then once you go outside on your door and you find a suitable place where you can attach it, just peel off the other side and attach it to the wall, and that's how you go. Also, you receive a battery which goes into this bell button, and on the back of this packaging, that's what the receiver is. It comes with the electrical plug. This is how it looks, and there's a button here. I think it's to change the melody. We'll look at it later on. It comes with two attachments. One is holder for the bell, which can be screwed. You also get a screw and anchor, as I told you. You also get adhesive strip. Whatever you guys are comfortable with, go with either a holder. So for holder, you will need a screw you have to make a hole in the wall, or you can use the adhesive strip if you don't want to make a hole. So it's your choice. I will now go and insert the battery into this bell. I will use a screwdriver which came along with this package to open it. Once you're done with the battery, peel off this plastic, and let's go and try this receiver now. Let's see if it works. Alright, so I'm going to insert this and then let's test it. It works. I'll test it with a distance, so let's go out. Okay, so here I am outside. I have been using many bells in the past. You can see the holder here, and this was the latest one, but they all are crap. They don't work for a longer time. So now this is my third bell now. So I'm going to either screw it up here or maybe here after removing the previous one. So let's try this bell here, and let me press and ask my wife if she can hear it. Oh, I can hear it too outside. That works, and it's like 12 feet distance from where I put it inside. So let's try some more distance. Okay, I'm in my basement now, and the receiver is upstairs. So I'm just going to press this and see if that distance get covered, and let's try. Yeah, it works. So this distance is approximately 20 feet. Now I'm going to go in my backyard, and then I'm going to test it over there. So I'm traveling in my backyard, going to go quite far away from my house to see if that works. I'm mid in my backyard. Let's press and see if that works. Alright, my wife confirmed me that it's working. Now I'm going to the end of my backyard, and let's see from here if it works. I'm quite at the end of my backyard here, behind my shade, and let's try. It works. Okay, my wife confirmed to me that it's ringing. So far it has successfully completed the test, and I'll go ahead and install this button on the front door. Now let's test the volume button, which is on the right side of the receiver. The one with the strips the volume button, and the one above, they're connected. It's in one button. So if you press on the top is the melody, press the bottom is the volume. You keep on pressing continuously to keep on increasing or decreasing. So let's test it. Okay, so that's the highest, I believe. Then press, that's the lowest, that's a mid, that's a little higher, and I think that's the highest. Let's test the melody now. that's all were the melodies in this receiver. Let's go ahead and fix the button outside on the door. I'm going to remove my previous bell, which is attached to this wall here with the adhesive tape. Surface has left some residue, so I'm going to clean it with this alcohol wipe and make the surface a little clean. I will now put this adhesive strip behind the bell. So remove the protective strip from one side and then attach it to your bell, on the back of your bell. Okay, make sure you don't leave any bubble. Just do a visual inspection. Looks good. So I'll go outside and remove the strip from the back of the adhesive strip and then attach it to the wall. Alright, now I will go ahead and remove the protective strip from the back of the bell and then attach it to the location where I want it to be. Just press it a little harder and then keep it pressed for like 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, this completes the installation of the bell, and of course the receiver goes inside and on the electric plug. So for a normal single family home, the distance is quite a good, it works fine, and 1000 foot is definitely a longer distance, which of course I have not tested it, but yeah, for a single home it definitely works. And as I tested, going to my backyard, my backyard is big, I went to the end of my backyard and it worked fine. Overall it looks good. That's how it looks on my main door. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any comments, please let me know, and see you next time. Bye bye.